What's up, everybody? It's Derrick Fury back again, and today I'm checking out Void Walker issue 1. So first up, this isn't a new book. I'm catching up on stuff that is in my box that I've been meaning to read. Read this last night, enjoyed it quite a bit. So let's get into it. So as you can tell by the cover, this is going to be a mashup. John Wick meets Spawn with a little bit of Venom thrown in there. It's plays on the classic tropes. I say classic tropes because I personally feel there's a reason tropes exist and why we love them so much and why we keep seeing them. Mostly because they're awesome. But right here, what you've got is the classic hitman for the mob's been betrayed, he's out to seek revenge trope. We've seen that done very well. We've seen that done very poorly. And we've also seen it done very poorly, but it came out well. So the highest, the top tier of that, of course, would be John Wick. The lowest tier would be straight to rental 90s style, starring Lorenzo Lamas type action. There was a period in the 90s where John Woo, the director John Woo, hadn't really hit in America yet, but all the directors and every filmmaker was super hip to him. So you'd go into the video store and 90% of the action releases had two guys holding guns in each other's faces. So then John Woo showed up, dropped Hard Target with Van Damme, then that was a wrap. John Woo was a made man. Speaking of made men, we've got my main man Parker Ingram up here busting through the gates. So he's part of a very classical, traditional style mob family. And he's upset about something. So what you have here is the action shoot 'em up meets a horror movie. Kind of like if John Wick met The Evil Dead. Don't want to give away everything in this book because it is still available and in single issues, and also I believe the trade is out. You can check that out. It's got some really good art by Kristian Rossi here. I gotta dig that. Just the shadow of him behind. And then we've got the big reveal. So of course, as far as storytelling goes, you see him bust in, and then it's just shooting, cutaways, shooting. They're gonna save the reveal to right here. Nice low angle. So Kristian Rossi is actually dealing with a lot of cool cinematography styles of storytelling here. So he's got a low angle hero shot at a Dutch tilt. Why? Because it looks cool. I'm not gonna give away everything in this book, but the lead character does get assassinated, comes back connected to some kind of entity using him as a host or some kind of a symbiote situation. They do a good job in this of just setting up the backstory, leaving you with questions, and then we're gonna go from here. So issue 1, I don't have all the answers. You gotta get that for yourself. But look at this art, guys. Look at that splash page. Look at it, check it out. Really cool. So this is the hero and his symbiote of some kind, if you wanna call it that. Does this character design remind anyone of Guyver? Also dealing with kind of a host symbiote situation in that anime as well. Really cool. So all in all, good job from the creative team of Kristian Rossi and Spencer Desmond. Void Walker, published by Alterna Comics. If you're interested in checking this out yourself, go on alternacomics.com. Check them out. They haven't paid me any way to give them a shout out. I just think they do good work, and you should have a look. Speaking of have a look, check out my feature film, Lion Killer. Watch it on Amazon Prime and Tubi for free. Then leave a rate and review on Amazon and IMDb. Help me boost the algorithm, help it get seen by more people. And also like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when I drop another video. Once again, this is Derrick Fury. I'll check you guys out next time. Peace.